Hi, readers. I've had a great time with you the past few days thinking about mystery reading, and I'm ready, and I hope you're ready to think even more about how to do smart reading work together in our books. So, we've been thinking as we start books, what kind of questions we need to ask ourselves, and of course, the importance of paying attention to clues as we read forward. But I want to teach you today that when a reader is reading a mystery, the only way that reader can really predict forward, thinking about who did the crime, is actually to think backward. Mystery readers, one of the things they do is they pause and they think back about what they already know about each character in order to help them predict. They draw on the suspect's motives and opportunities. Could she be a suspect? Could he be a suspect? So when I think about a motive, I'm thinking to myself, why would somebody do that? And when I think about an opportunity, I think, did they have the chance to commit the crime? Let's try this with our prediction from earlier. One of the things we suspected was that Mr. Paskey could be a suspect. Maybe he kidnapped Wallace Wallace because we thought he was acting nervous, and suspects are often nervous. So let's think backwards. What do we know about his motives? Why would Mr. Paskey want to kidnap Wallace Wallace? Well, maybe he wanted to keep Wallace Wallace all to himself, like he's so famous he didn't want to share Wallace Wallace with anybody. But that seems kind of unlikely and a little weird. Okay. Did Mr. Paskey have the opportunity, the chance? Well, he couldn't have kidnapped Wallace Wallace during the book signing because people would have noticed that Mr. Paskey was missing from the book nook. Maybe I guess he could have done it before the book signing? I don't know. I mean, maybe you're thinking the same thing as me, but now that I'm thinking back on Mr. Paskey and our earlier prediction, I'm not sure that he has a motive or had a really good opportunity to do it. So actually, now I'm revising my prediction. I don't know if he really is the suspect. So, readers, this is the work that we're going to do as we study and read more mysteries together. We will be paying attention to any story details that could be clues, but in particular, a mystery reader has to think backwards when they want to predict who did it. They think to themselves, for each new character, for each suspect, what was their motive and what was their opportunity? Just like the detectives do in the stories. Before you head off to read today, make a quick work plan. Will you be sketching? Will you be writing? Will you be talking? No matter which you choose, find a smart way to document your thinking. Happy crime solving.